It's always exciting to go to another city or country, but the actual journey there, especially when you're going by plane, can be a real pain. Nobody likes being squished into a seat on a plane with crying babies around and cramps in their legs. And don't even get me started on problems with delays, baggage, and security. But there are some things that you can do to make your journey much more comfortable and less stressful, and I'll be taking you through them in this video. These secret hacks will change the way that you fly forever. Let's get started right away with the first secret hack. Bring your own power strip. Yep, we're talking about your... Why is it smart to pack this in your carry-on? Well, imagine you get to the gate and all the outlets are taken. No worries. You can politely ask someone if you can swap your power strip with theirs so both of you can plug in and charge up. Having your own power strip is a smart move for a couple of reasons. First off, it's safer for your cybersecurity. Did you know airports are not the safest places to charge your phone? Using your own power strip can help protect your device from sneaky cyber threats. And don't forget about hotels. Sometimes there aren't enough outlets, or you only have one electrical adapter for a different country. A power strip can save the day in situations like these. So, next time you're packing your carry-on, make sure to toss in your trusty power strip. Give yourself easy access at security. Here's a handy tip to make your airport security experience a breeze. Organize your carry-on bag for easy access. We all know the hassle of emptying out our suitcase full of gadgets and liquids at the TSA checkpoint. Here's a clever trick. Pack your carry-on in a way that lets you quickly grab anything that needs to be scanned separately. How? Well, just group all your electronics and liquids together in a separate travel bag within your main bag. That way, when you reach security, you can easily pull out this bag all at once, without feeling stressed out. So next time you're packing, keep this tip in mind to breeze through airport security hassle-free. Use a shipping service. Depending on the occasion and how long you're going to be abroad for, you might want to consider using a luggage shipping service like Lugless instead of checking your bags with the airline. Why? Well, with airlines charging hefty fees for checked bags these days, shipping your luggage can save you time, money, and hassle. Using a shipping service means you won't have to lug your bags through the airport or wait anxiously at the chaotic baggage claim. Plus, the prices for these services start at just $15 per bag, making it a cost-effective option, but of course be sure to compare the prices and see if using a shipping service makes more sense for you. This approach can make your travels much smoother, especially during busy holiday seasons when airports are packed and luggage space is limited. But if shipping isn't your thing, don't worry. There are plenty of other clever tricks to help you fit everything into your suitcase, like only taking what you need, using packing cubes, and rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Time your travel right. Whenever you're planning your travel, try to avoid leaving during rush hour traffic. This can save you from the unnecessary stress of potentially missing your flight. I know, this just seems like common sense, but it's so obvious that most people don't think about it. It's also smart to steer clear of arriving at your destination very late at night or early in the morning. This is because it can be more difficult to find transportation services to take you to your final destination at these times. Watch what you eat and drink. Instead of carbonated drinks, which can cause bloating, go for still water. Staying hydrated with water can help prevent headaches and flush out your system, which is essential for avoiding bloating and worsening jet lag. You should also not drink alcohol, no matter how tempting it is. Alcohol can dehydrate you even more during flights. Also, try to avoid carbs, since they can be hard to digest at high altitudes. If you're feeling hungry, go for fruits and veggies instead. Stay comfortable on the long-haul flights. Alright, let's talk about those marathon flights that stretch on for 16 hours or more, where comfort becomes a precious commodity. First off, change your mindset. Instead of dreading the long journey, think of it as some quality you time. This shift in perspective can make a big difference in how you experience the flight. Now, on to packing your carry-on. Since your main luggage will likely be stowed away, your carry-on becomes your lifeline. Pack essentials like a change of clothes, toiletries, and anything else that'll make you feel cozy and refreshed during the trip. Don't forget handy items like compression socks to keep your feet happy and a snug hoodie for extra warmth and privacy. Getting some shut-eye is crucial on those marathon flights. Bring along noise-cancelling headphones, melatonin supplements, or anything else that helps you catch some shut-eye. Oh, and staying hydrated is key. It's easy to forget to drink water, but trust me, it's essential for feeling your best when you land and kicking off your trip on the right foot. Load up your devices with plenty of entertainment options like movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music so you don't get bored. And if you're feeling up to it, set yourself a little goal for the flight, whether it's knocking out some work or tackling a creative project. Hey, you might as well make the most of all that time in the air. Travel like a local. When you're traveling, try using local SIM cards in your phone. It's a game changer for better internet speeds and quality. Plus, it's handy for uploading photos quickly and joining conference calls without any glitches. You can grab a local SIM card at most airports, both local and international ones. And hey, if you're using public Wi-Fi, there's a neat trick you should know to keep your info safe. It's just one click away from better security. Sign up for free business programs. If you've got a business, even if it's small or just starting out, sign up for free business programs like American's Business Extra. It's a win-win situation because you'll earn points every time you or your team fly on top of your regular frequent flyer miles. These points can score you some fantastic perks like free flights, access to airport lounges, upgrades, and even elite status. It's like getting extra rewards just for doing what you'd normally do. Make the most of where you're sitting. This is a great hack, especially if you don't have fancy tickets or special status with the airline. Try booking an exit row seat. Not only does this get you on the plane quicker with priority boarding, but you also get more space for your stuff in the overhead bins. If you're looking for even more room, go for a window seat. It's great for folks with bigger carry-ons or traveling with a furry friend. And here's a little trick. Try booking both a window and an aisle seat at the same time. You might just luck out and get the whole row to yourself. Oh, and one more thing. Instead of putting your carry-on directly above your seat, use the bin on the opposite side for easier access. Smart, right?